Aloha and welcome to the Crypto and Stock Market Futures Trading Channel. I'm Digital Micro, and this is the Digital Micro Trading Journal, week to date to the last day of November 30, 2021 close. Let's look at the benchmarks return on investment for people that are passively managed in mutual funds and whatnot. The MES S&P 500 at the end of November, a 0.1% return. So just barely eking out green here with this new pandemic mutation virus causing a lot of issues with the market. The M2K fared a lot worse. So Russell 2000, 2213 close, 0.54. So again, not a big difference between last Friday and the close of Tuesday's November. And Bitcoin, that is much more resilient. So last Friday, after a hard sell-off, 54,191. And look at where we were at the close of Tuesday, 57,208. That's a 5.5% return on investment if you were managed in a hodler account. You've got 5.5 from last Friday's close. So there you have it. These are the not actively managed benchmarks. These are the passively managed benchmarks for people that just want to leave the money in. So no growth in that except for the crypto portfolio. So let's go to the charts. We've got is the MES S&P 500 micros. So 24-hour on the left, 120 on the right, and I'm exclusively trading for the day trading account on the S&Ps versus the M2K, just because I'm scalping long on the first day of the month. First days of the month, institutional money goes to work. Of course, it's seasonality too. With the last month of the year, I don't expect a lot of fund managers to be buying huge lots in December, but still, first day of the month, you don't want to really be fading in shorts. So what I'm looking at here on the 24-hour is the first idea that I've got is this lower Bollinger Band was closed below. We haven't done that even on Monday or last Friday. We toyed with having price go below it, not a close below it, what we did here Tuesday. So you can see here the lower Bollinger Band is 45.96 on the last day of November. So this new bar open for December, wherever that readjusts the lower Bollinger Band, I'm looking for a potential target, the 3 EMA for Wednesday, December 1st. So the 3 exponential moving average is my first idea on a longer day trade time frame, meaning maybe I buy some in Globex, hold it into RTH. Again, any recommendation at all, not trading advice. This is my trade journal channel and just sharing what I'm thinking of. On the right, the 120 is really hugging the lower Bollinger Band, and notice how the Bollinger Bands are in expansion mode. So I'm looking and counting the bars from mid Bollinger, currently at 46.25. Of course, there's a lot of probably interest at the 4600, and look at the November 1st Globex opening range, how we closed below it. So 4606 would be real interesting level to see if we could capture that on December 1st. We've got to see. And going back to the whole month on the 24-hour, passive managed bulls lost, because if you would have bought the S&P micros in November 1st and held, your average weighted cost was 46.61, and all through the month we closed here at 45.86. So a lot of trap bulls here, and it's all going to be a question of how things play out politically, how things play out with the pandemic, and how people react to price action in the markets. But Those are the two most important charts on the larger time frame. I plan on adjusting for position, scalp longs, and I'd be going in strictly for S&P 500. Now I want to cover Bitcoin. Okay, we have Bitcoin charts and we are done with November basically. In the next hour or two, we're going to have a new candle on the left here. It'll be a December candle for the month. But note how November, the Bitcoin price could never really puncture the 61.8 Fibonacci. It did violate 50%, but you've got a long wick below this body of the red candle and a even longer wick above it. So this doji candle here on the candlestick monthly chart shows me basically I'm directionally bullish. That's my interpretation, and now I'm going to trade it for December. Now getting to a smaller time frame, the 24 hours, this shows the most important aspect is that we have a descending middle Bollinger Band here. This line has not been conquered, and these wicks here on the candles shows that price can't conquer basically the October 1st anchored VWAP line. It's acting as resistance, and until traders and investors go through it, I think we'll quickly spike up. But right now, I'm just playing this support and resistance. We're kind of in a bracket trade right now, and that's what I'm doing short term is I'm playing the bracket. So that kind of wraps up how I'm going to play December. Part of it is just hold this thing long and a good 2/3 of the allocation. The other third or a little bit less, I'm going to day trade the brackets, no shorts, long only setups, and just try to do large scalps and get myself some more Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe and the like. Aloha, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.